राम 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 जानकी कांत स्मरणे जय जय राम राम गोपिका जीवन स्मरणे गोविंदा गोविंदा बोला पुंडलीक बरते हरि विठ्ठल सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय वीर धीर पराक्रम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय। सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तन, the divine process of the chanting, singing and doing sankirtana of the great Govinda Nama, which means the name of Lord Mahavishnu, Govinda. And this Govinda, on chanting and doing sankirtana, gives eternal bliss and mukti. The Govinda has thousands of names, as told by Bhishmacharya at the end of the Mahabharata battle in Vishnu Sahasranama. And Madhava is one of the greatest names of Govinda, the Lord Mahavishnu. And the Madhava, his consort Radha, represents all the bhaktas, the human beings who are devoted to Lord Krishna. And the Sangamam of Radha and Krishna, that is the union of Krishna and Radha, represents the union of the Paramatma, the God, the Almighty, and the Jivatma, the human kind. The union is called Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam, which is fondly referred in Hindu mythology as the Radha Kalyana, Radha Kalyana Mahotsavam, Radha Madhava Vivaham. The Radha Madhava Vivaham is a Hindu devotional process which has several utsavams in it. The Radha Madhava Vivaham is referred to as a Mahotsavam, which comprises of several small utsavams in it. The first being the chanting of the Todaya Mangalam, beginning with Harinarayana. First we chant the Harinarayana, Harinarayana, Bhagavan Nama, then followed by Todaya Mangalam, which comprises of 5 kritis. First composed by Vidraja Ramadasa, Jaya Janaki Ramana, Jaya Vibhishana Charana, Jaya Saroruga Charana, Jaya Dhina Karuna, Jaya Jaya means victory. On chanting, repeatedly chanting the Bhagavan Nama means victory and happiness, followed by the 2 kritis, Charanu Charan and Muraharana Gadara of Annamacharya, of Lord Venkateshwara of Tirumala, followed by 2 kritis on Krishna, Devesha Gana Aradita and Madhava Bhavatu Te Mangalam, of which the Madhava is the groom of this great Vivaha Mahotsava, Radha Kalyanam. As per the Hindu mythology and Bhagavad Sampradaya, after Todaya Mangalam is the Guru Kirtana, Guru Dhyanam. Kabir Dasa says, Andari Rama, Bhagire Rama, Jahan Devke Vakha, Purana Hikama, inside our heart there is Rama, outside Rama is visible. Wherever we see Rama is there. When such a situation arises, Guru Kripa Anchana Paya. When we apply the Guru Kripa in our eyes, then in our vision there is only Rama visible. Hence we chant the Udendra Saraswati Swamigal as the first Guru, who is an incarnation of Mahavishnu and who prescribed the Narayana Nama, the Harinama, the Rama Nama, Parama Karunaya Pankaja Nayana Bodhendra Guru Rupena. The second, Sridhar Venkatesh Ayyawal, represents the Almighty Parameshwara, Shivam Paramakalyanam Abhyaja Karunanidham Kudakyam Saukidhanam Ande Vakratihani. And the third Guru, the Sadguru Swamigal of Marudanallur, Venkatrama Desika, who is an incarnation of Lord Rama, who introduced the Munchavarti Dharma in Kali Yuga with Nama Sankirtanam and repeated chanting of Ramanama, singing of Ramanama. Entire life is filled with bliss and joy. Following the Guru Kirtana is the chanting of the great Grantha Gita Govindam, is fondly referred as Jayadeva Ashtapati, composed by Saint Jayadeva in Kindu Bilva Kshetra near Puri Jagannath, which comprises 24 great songs, each of 8 stanzas, called as Jayadeva Ashtapati, which describes the Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam, that is the union of Radha and Krishna. Radha represents all the living beings in this universe, and Krishna is the Almighty Paramatma, the God who protects the universe. And their reunion is the Radha Madhava Vivaha, or the Radha Kalyana Utsav. This chanting, complete chanting of 24 Ashtapatis on the previous day of Radha Kalyanam, brings Drakshe Dvam Amruda Mrudamasi Chira Neeram Rasaste Makanda Kanta Kandadara Dharanidala Kacha Yachanti Pavam Yava Shankara Saraswati Meha Jayadeva Iswaprasamsi. Jayadeva says, our life is turned into sweet, into Amrita, Draksha, Kshira, that is the milk, with all the sweet cereals in it. Such tasty our life becomes, and all the sorrows and sins of all our previous and upcoming births are removed by not just singing, at least by listening to this Gita Govinda Grantha. All those sins are removed and our life is filled with joy. The next Utsava is the chanting of Krishna Leela Tarangini, which is the Grantha of from Krishna's birth till Rukmini Kalyanam, written by Narayana Tirtha and followed by Panchapati. Panchapati is 5 songs. First one is of Sadashiva Brahmendral on Advaitam, and the second one on Bhadrajala Ramadasa on Dasi Bhakti, third one Purandradasa on Vittala and Srinivasa, and Fourth is the Gopalakrishna Bharati, Tamil songs on Parameshwara, who comes to see the great Rasalila of Krishna in Vrindavana. And the fifth one is Tyagaraja Kriti, Sadguru Tyagaraja, who had the darshan of the Deven Ramachandra Swami along with his consort Sita and his brother Lakshmana and Anjaneya just before 150 years ago. The next Utsava is there, Puja Vidhanam. There is a separate sampradayam of Puja Vidhanam, which includes the Mantra Pushpam and the Kattiya Vachana Slokas, followed by Kshetra Mahatmyam, nearly the description and slokas on 250 Kshetras in this universe, which praises Lord Mahavishnu, and on the divine plant Tulasi, Vibhuti, on Ekadasi Vrata, on Shivaratri Vrata. All those slokas followed by Upachara Sankirtanam, doing Upachara with Chhatra, Shamara, Yajanam, doing all the Upacharas to the Lord Shri Krishna. Hence the Puja Vidhanam. Devata Dhyam, as Nama Sankirtana, has no constraints of which God we are singing in the Hindu mythology. So the Devata Dhyanam, which is followed by the Puja Vidhanam, praises from Lord Ganesha, Saraswati, Subramanya Swami, Parameshwara, Gauri, Lakshmi Narasimha, Mahalakshmi, Panduranga, Anjaneya Swami, and Garuda. After that, Devata Dhyanam, there's an Avaganam inviting Bhagavan on the Panchamukha Deepa. So Agni is what represents the Bhagavan to us. That is the Pratyaksha. Deva for us, Pratyaksha, the God which we can see is the Agni. And we are inviting Shri Krishna to come and reside for a few minutes in the Panchamukha Deepa, the 5 lighted lamp which is placed on a decorated beaten on the soil, which is going to be done Pratakshina by the devotees, Bhaktas, Bhagavatas, Surasinis. So this 5 lighted lamp, that is the Panchamukha Deepa, represents the Bhagavan Krishna himself, and doing Pratakshina gives us the blessing of doing protection of all the divine kshetras in this universe. Singing the Harinama Sankirtana, Rama, Krishna, Govinda, by doing pradakshina of the Panchamukha Diva is referred to as the Divyanama Sankirtana. The chanting of Bhadradevi Ramadas Kritis, Vijay Gopala Swami Kriti, Krishna Lila Tarangini, and the Divyanama Sankirtanam, Sadguru Tyagaraja Kriti, followed by Gopika Geetam, the divine 18 slokas which the Gopikas recited on the banks of Yamuna and Vrindavana to bring Krishna, to give darshan for them. And the Krishna came and gave darshan, not a single Krishna, for 16,000 gopis or 16,000 Krishnas, which is followed by the Rasa Krita, Kolatam, Gumi, the snake dance, and the Shittar Kritis, followed by, then the Parameshwara comes and gives darshan to see the great Krishna Dasa Leela, Parameshwara Dhyanam. Then the Deva Samaropa, the bringing the 5-lighted lamp near the Bhagwan and bringing the Bhagwan into the portrait or the Vigraha for which the celestial wedding is going to happen. It's called Deva Samaropa. After the end of Divyanama Sankirtana begins the Dolotsavam, which is the Sayanotsavam, making the Bhagwan Krishna sleep and rise the next morning for the great divine celestial wedding. During the Dolotsavam, Gauri Kalyana is recited to invite the devotees to come and attend and get blessed on the great divine day of the Radha Kalyana Mahotsava, and doing several upacharas for Krishna, the same Madhadi as Tyagaraja did in his puja, daily doing Dolotsavam and Sayanotsavam for Ramachandra Swami. The same Madhadi, Dolotsavam is done for Radha Krishna on the previous night of Radha Kalyana Utsavam. On the next day, the first event will be the Munchakirti. Senior Bhagavata takes the role of Sadguru Swamigal and gets Bhiksha from devotees and Bhagavatas in the form of raw rice and dal to be used for doing prasada for devotees after the Kalyana Mahotsava. And this Bhagavata who is doing the Munchakirti represents the Sadguru Swami of Murudanalu, who introduced this great dharma of Bhagavan Nama Sankirtanam and the Radha Kalyana Utsavam to all of us. Rama Kya Amrita Dhanena, in those yugas, in the Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Bhagavan did Kurmavatara and protected the Devas by giving the elixir, the Amrita to them. But in Kali Yuga, Sadhguru Swami gave us the elixir, the Amrita of Ramanama for our existence in this universe. The Radha Kalyana Mahotsava begins again with the Thodaya Mangala, followed by Kurukritis in short form, followed by the Kalyana Ashtapadi, 22nd Ashtapadi of the Gita Govindam, which was recited the previous day, is again recited on the Kalyana Mahotsavam day, during which Suvachinis are asked to bring the seer, Bhakshanas and Vastrams and Dhruvangalyam and submit it before the portrait of Lord Sri Radhakrishna. Once all the prime items for the Utsava arrive, the Kotnotsava, the next Utsava begins, which is done with the Varal and the Olakai. The Varal represents our heart, which has both good and evil things, and the Olakai is a stick which represents the Bhagavan Nama, which is to be inserted into the heart, that is the Varal. And these Kanika children, not more than 78 years, girl kids are asked to put Mangala Akshara into the Varal, which represents both the good and the evil Atma existing in our heart. So once that is inserted, then this Valakai is inserted into the Varal and punched, so that all the evil or the Umi is removed, and only the pure Akshara, the pure Atma remains in the Varal, that is our heart. At the end of this Muthukuthal and Kotnotsavam, the oral or the heart is removed from the process. Only the Valakai is retained, which is there. It represents the Bhagavan Nama, and Bhagavatas used to hold it and dance with it, celebrating the victory of the Bhagavan Nama in cleansing our heart and Atma, which is submitted along with Akshada to perform the divine celestial wedding of Radha and Krishna. Once that is done, the Vastram is submitted. Vastram Modal is done, and two Sampatis, two couples are brought there as the parents of Krishna and Radha, and they exchange the dress of the bride and the groom with the Dharmangalya, which is followed by the Mangala Snanam of Lord Krishna and Radha and all the devotees and Bhagavatas, which is followed with the recitation of the Pravaram, which represents the birth, the Gotra, the Vamsa, and the grandfather, father, and the family details of Lord Rama and Krishna by all the devotees and Bhagavatas who were present on the dais, which is followed by the 8 great shlokas, the Lagnashtakam or the Mangalashtakam, which describes what are the blessings we are receiving by attending and celebrating this Radha Kalyana Utsav, and who are the guests for this great event, which is followed by the Mangalya Dharanam, the tying of the Mangala Sutra on Radha by Krishna. Once the Mangalya Dharanam is complete, Akshadaropanam, submitting the Mangala Akshada to Bhagavan, and the spraying of flowers on the Almighty and all the Bhagavatas, the Bhaktas, then doing some upacharas for Bhagavan, and then Nalangu, like our worldly marriage, Nalangu is a great utsav which is celebrated for Bhagavan by breaking applause and sprinkling the rose water, flowers, turmeric on Bhagavan, doing Nalangu for him, then playing with flower balls and taking procession in boat, in Bhavana, in Bhava, then followed by the Anjaneya Utsavam, the praying of Anjaneya, because wherever this Harinama, Ramanama is happening, Anjaneya Pashpavari Paripurna Lochan, with his eyes filled with tears out of Ananda, so he is listening to the Bhagavan Nama Sankirtana. Hence all these utsavams end with the chanting of the Anjaneya Utsavam, followed by Mangalam and Harati.
ಅವಯವೈಹಿ ಪ್ರಮಂದೀನ್ ಕಾಂತಾರೆ ಬಹುವಿಗಿದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅನುಸರಣ ಅನ್ನದ ಬಿಡುವ ಅಮಂತಂ ಗಂಧರ್ವಜ್ವರ ಜನಿತ ಸೀತಾ ಕುಲದಯ ಬಲಸ್ವಾತ ಸರಸವಿದ ಮೂಚೆ ಲತಾ ಪರಿಶೀಲನ ಓಮಳ ಹರೆಯ ಸಮೇ கலம்பிட்ட கோட்டில பூஜித்த குஞ்ச கொடி ராதே கோஜித்த ராதே கோஜித்த ராதே
नवो नवो भवति जायमानो ज्ञानसमे जग्रे भागं देवेभ्यो वददास्यायं नरप्रवास्ते देशमायको मंगले दे मनोरमां समेत तस्य सौभाग्यसमे वसुदेव महाराजा में आशीर्वादम पट्टुपड़वरवुगे श्रीमांगल्यं पत्रं चंद्रवर्मणे साक्षात् परिपूर्ण तमस्वरूपाय அடுத்தது ராதைக்கு சொல்லணும். யசுர்வேத சதுர்வேத சாகாத்யாகினி சர்வஸ்ருதி ஸ்மிருதி पुराण इतिहास शास्त्रार्थ स्वरूपिणी सकृत प्रबंध जन संरक्षण दीक्षित कटाक्षिणी தாயாரோட கடாட்சம் இல்லைன்னா யாருமே வைஷ்ணவ பரம்பரையில குரு ஸ்லோகம் சொல்ல லட்சுமிநாத சமாரம்பம் தான் சொல்லுவா ஆரம்பிப்போம். மகாவிஷ்ணு சமாரம்பம் ஆரம்பிக்க மாட்டோம். பத்ராஜி ராமதாஸ் 40,000 கீர்த்தனம் பண்ணி பிரயோஜனம் இல்ல. முஸ்லிம் ராஜா ஜெயில போட்டான் பணம் கொடுக்கல. அனுப்ரோபம் பண்ணி செப்பவே அந்த சீதா தியானத்தை பாடினவர்களே அடுத்த க்ஷணம் விடுவிக்கப்பட்ட தாயார் கடாட்சம்னா दीक्षित कटाक्षिणी उद्धारित गोत्रोद्भवां चतुर्दश भुवनाधीश्वरी ब्रह्माण्डस्य ऊर्ध्वदेशे श्रुतिसत अभितिथ गोलोकवासिनी तत्त्वार्थ दीपिका अद्वितीय अखंडित ज्ञानानंद परिपूर्णतमां आ ब्रह्म कीट जननी अखिलांड घोड़ी ब्रह्मांड नायकी भानुनाद वंशोद्भव स्वर्णभानु கோநாயக ஆதியம் லேசப்பட்ட கோநாயக பரம்பரை கோநாயகனா ஆயிரக்கணக்கான பசுமாடுக்கு சொந்தக்காரன் ரொம்ப பணக்காரன் அந்த கோப மகாராஜாக்கு சம அந்தஸ்துல இருக்கிறவா ராதையோட குடும்பம் தான். வர்மனோ நப்த்ரீம் சுரபானோ கோநாயக வர்மண பௌத்ரி ருஷபானோ கோநாயக வர்மண புத்ரீம் ஸ்ரீ ராதா நாமீம் சாட்சாத் ஸ்ரீ மகாலட்சுமி ஸ்வரூபிணி இமாம் கன்யாமினி வனே सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये गौरी नारायणे कृष्ण गोपाल कृष्ण गोपाल कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण
శృంగారగాత్రుడా సీనితుడైన సంగీతలోలుడా చంద్రుడును వినయముతో தோறாத விண்ணப்பம் விடலைதான் நான் சுவாமி கேட்க இதே தாம்பூல கட்டது ரெடியா வச்சுக்கோ சொல்றேன் காதல் நிகழ்ச்சி நண்பர்கள் நாபாக்கியம் வந்துடான் அவனுக்கு வந்துடான் அது கூட ఇప్పుడు ఎదురులో ఏకమనపుతో ఎక్కింది కన్యప్రాయ నాడు కాతికాసి చూసి అనులర నాయన కమరు గౌరీ పూజలు చేసి గిరివాసం వచ్చిన గంభీర పురుషుడై రావణుడు హరిహరాదులకెల్లా అడిగడం వచ్చాడు భాగ్యవంతుడు.
Performing of this Radha Kalyan Utsav not only brings joy in our life, prosperity in life, also removes all the sins and obstacles, not only in this present birth, also in the previous births, and also in the upcoming births. So that is the easiest and the simplest way of doing devotion to Lord Krishna and getting the blessings and peace in our life and in the entire universe. सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद गोपिका जीवन स्मरणे गोविंद गोविंद आदेश मधुर मधुर नाम की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय वीर वीर पराक्रम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय
परम शांति सुगंधान परम गोप्य परम